Alright, we're starting in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, we're on. So this is Unity, yeah, and this is a Subtitle Manager that I have made. This is tool that I'm previewing right now. Have print type, print pause, and some other things too. I will explain this in, I will try to be a very short time. So print type is show. I will just show you how this works. Okay, and it just shows things and go away. Okay, and another print type is character by one, which is a little bit fancier. And now when I press the button, the subtitle happens when I press the button. I will show you how I control it later. So the quick brown fox jumps over a lazy dog. DJs flogged by when MTV X quiz brug, whatever. So that is the functioning, and this is the file that it is actually reading it from, and it is referenced over here. Haha. The file is CSV, which is very interesting, so you can use it. Nice. You can make your CSV file in a columns, and I will just show you. So this concrete file is separated by tabs, and I will open it like that. Yeah, of course that I will. So this is a little too long. Alright, and this is meta column, and this is subtitle column, and in that column you write your subtitles or whatever you need. And this is meta column, where you define your label for this. So when I do subtitle load single false, which means label, string label, and bool is conversation. It is not conversation because conversation here is defined with begin and end. So this is conversation, all this, and this is just single label, single subtitle. So I earlier pressed Y and get load that, and you can begin and you have a trigger which will do some action after the subtitle has passed, it's hidden. So I will show you that in a minute. And this is the code, yes. So I will show you how conversation now will look. Okay, character by one is turned on here, turned down. So ta-da! It now shows us things. Wait a little bit so we can read what is here, and it goes on and on. It is treated like a conversation, so it so this plugin shows it one by one until the end, until the last thing from that, and it will do that, so that's no problem. We have skipping here too, and subtitle duration, which is here fixed. We can fixed 2 seconds, and we can make it to be variable, which is that. Okay, this last was too long, so it is shown longer than others. Okay, if we want, for example, to have skip single and to make it access to be jump is space by default in this pretty engine that we use. And yeah, this is the file. Yeah, I told you. Enable loading per level is auto loading, so you can define here level index, so you can have one file for each level. So I thought that would be interesting to It will be easy to organize things like that, and you can turn it off and load it manually. 2. You have function for loading manually, which is fetch subtitle manager.fetch. I will show you. It is like subtitle manager.fetch from file, and you have string from file. It is only needed to be in resources / subtitles. So it is, I think, very intuitive and easy to use like that. You can load like file from this like this, and when you load it, you can just load subtitles whenever you need, conversations and whatever. I have forgot to show you this action trigger, which will, as you can see here, go find whatever, and when it is written, it will print this. Yes. So what is that? It's T, key code T. Alright, key code T. Edge up to continue is because of this thing here. And you log passes logged. It is logged when on subtitle hide. So and I will show you skipping. We can show you what are other access we have here. Project settings, come on, input, some interesting. Open yourself. Fire one is left click, yes, and left control. Okay, fire one is fine by me. Fire one. So we now have this, and we will turn on conversation so you can see how this works. So play now. I'll show conversation. Okay, press fire one to skip, jump to continue, jump to continue, jump to continue, fire one to skip, and now it's all gone. So skipping is working like this, and that's it. You have many levels, many files, load it whenever you want. Many features to come. This is just 0.1 version, so that is that. Bye.